Like I said, I wanted to do a quick little project pan update. This is number 6, which I can't even believe that I've been on this long. Like, I'm really sticking to this for reals. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. And first update, bam, use this sucker up. Finally got to the end. There is no more Urban Decay all-nighter. This is a staple for sure. I absolutely love this. I can't even tell you how many times I repurchased this and just love it. But let's be honest, I got like 20 something sprays over there that need some loving, and I'm just excited that I use this baby up completely. I finished it. It can just go into my empties because damn, it's been a hot minute that it has been in my collection. But I absolutely love this all-nighter. If you're looking for a spray to make your makeup last, this is the one to go to. Love Urban Decay. But yeah, so yay, another product I used up, and this one is another one that's from the beginning of my project pan. And because this is going to be a rolling project pan, booyah, this is the next product that I have been using. This is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh. I felt out of all these sprays that I had, this was the next one that was the oldest. I went ahead and marked it when I started using it, and as you can see, I have been using this baby up, and so it's gone down a little bit from that line. But yeah, this is really nice because this one is more of a hydrating one. This has hyaluronic acid in it. Really enjoy ColourPop because they're so affordable and they have amazing products. And yeah, so that I incorporated that one. As far as my Hollywood filter, okay, where's my marker? Where's my marker? Next we have the Hollywood Flawless Filter. I had added this one in my last project pan, and this is how much I've been using. So it's down to here. Doing a really good job about using it every day. I love the luminosity that this gives to the skin. Just looks absolutely beautiful. I do highly recommend that you get a shade that is similar to your skin tone, so that way it doesn't look like overly done on your skin. So this is the shade number 4, which is my skin tone. I absolutely love this. I saw that e.l.f. came out with one that's supposed to be a dupe to this, but I held myself back from getting it because I'm like, girl, you still trying to use up the original. Why are you gonna buy the dupe for it? But I've seen a lot of people say that it really is a really great dupe for it and a good drugstore version. So if you're interested in that, definitely go get you. And they have, I think, a better range than Charlotte Tilbury, but I absolutely love this one. Just have really been enjoying it, but I do want to get my money's worth out of it, and so I'm so happy that it's in my project pan, that I've been using it every single day. It just gives a beautiful luminosity to the skin. Next up is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. This has been a little bit harder for me to use up because it's more of a thicker full coverage foundation, and I don't really tend to use a full coverage foundation anymore. I have been incorporating different oils, different primers, different other foundations that are more liquidy on the side to go with this. So I pump out way less of this than I would if I was going to use just a normal foundation. But as you can see there, I still have been using it, and it has been going down little by little. But I don't think I would repurchase this just because it is on the heavier side. Next is the, I don't know if I showed this, but no, I haven't showed this. Okay, so I used up another product. I used up the Farsali Liquid Glass. I absolutely love this. I know that I'm not sure if they're gonna come back into business. I'm almost sure that they are, but they went out of business, and I think they're gonna do a comeback. But I finally used this up completely. Beautiful radiance, luminous skin with this, and happy that I used it up. And then I replaced it with this. This is the No Problem Priming Water, and this has a rose scent to it. This is very liquidy, very oily on the skin, and gives a lot of hydration. Really, really love it. And I went ahead and put it into rotation. The line is right there from when I started, and as you can see, okay, focus. As you can see, it's going down dramatically because it's so watery, like a lot of it comes out. So I feel like I'm going to be able to go through this like nobody's business. This is made in Korea and I love Touch in Soul's products. A lot of their products just work beautiful on the skin. I feel like a lot of the Korean skincare and beauty products are just absolutely amazing. So if you have any recommendations, leave them down below, but not too many because I'm on a low buy. But I really enjoy this one and had added this one. Next is the Hourglass Trio, and look at that pan. Look at that. I'm so freaking proud of myself. It just makes me feel so good that I finally got to this point. I will be using this one up. As you can see, that one has really been showing as well. This is the more bronzing one. I've been using this on top of my bronzers and really enjoying it. And this one is the one for all over. This one, I know I'm not gonna really hit pan on because it's a highlighter, and I don't think I'll ever hit pan on a highlighter. But just to use up these two on the ends will make me so freaking happy and feel like I didn't waste like $70 on this. And yeah, it's beautiful on the skin, love it. And then the last thing in my project pan is the Bare Minerals Pro, and hopefully I'll find a picture of the original and put it here to the side of where it looks like when I started using this. But I have made quite a big dent in the center of the pan and I'm super happy. If you guys want to see my makeup of the day looks and me using up products, project panning, I've been doing a lot of that on my Instagram. I will show a flat lay of all the products that I'm using, and then if you swipe to the left you will see the makeup of the day that I did with those products. So that way I'm like testing out different products from my collection. I am thinking of going through, now that I've tested a few more palettes in my collection, I want to go through and kind of declutter again, because oh my god, the more I use stuff, the more I notice like I'm not really into this formula, I need to get rid of this, or this is getting a little too old, like the formula is not as great. So look out for that. Hopefully I'll do like a mid-year, like in August when my son starts school, I might go through and like do another full declutter of products and really start, you know, downsizing when it comes to this crazy makeup collection that has just gotten way out of hand. Anyways, and that is it for my project pan. Thank you guys so much for those who still watch these videos and have been encouraging during my project pan. My low buy has been okay. I feel like I haven't been as extreme as the many years before, where I would always be like VIB, like Sephora Rouge and Ulta Platinum. I feel that now I'm not even nowhere close to Ulta Platinum or being Rouge or VIB at Sephora. And it makes me proud that I'm not spending and wasting that money in products that are just gonna expire and I'm not really gonna use up. And because of that, it just feels really nice that I am using up these products and, you know, really getting my money's worth from them and downsizing to something that's a little bit more doable. I don't think I'll ever have like a normal makeup collection with only like a palette or two, because at the end of the day, I love makeup, but I don't also want to have 150 palettes. Let's be real. There's no way one set of eyes is gonna use so much. Anyways, but thank you guys so much. I've been doing great on my low buy. If you've seen my hauls, I've just been buying little things here and there, and I am thankful to everyone who suggested stuff on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, my link is down below. But a lot of you guys suggested stuff because I had thousands of points from Ulta. I wanted to use those up and get free products, and that's what I've been doing, is like just not really spending money but using up points. Both at Sephora and Ulta. Like in Sephora, I get $10 off a purchase. So I've just been buying like stuff, necessities and stuff, using those points, like taking $10 off with like 500 points or whatever. Which I don't even know why I accumulated so many freaking points at either one of those. It just becomes like an exception, an obsession. Oh God. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and watching me babble on, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.